So we welcome you to Zanzibar.
So our next activity today is going to be a trip to the prison island, and
We have already reached the harbour.
we are
and
already
from
reached the
here
harbour in
we'll
Stone
take the
Town.
boat.
We'll just take the boat.
Yeah.
So
And then we'll reach Prison Island.
So let's go. Our guide Abdullah, who is saying pole pole, that means slowly slowly here in Hakuna Matata, no problem. So Pooja is trying to take it very slowly after hearing Abdullah.
Today we're gonna enjoy Prison Island. This is an amazing island from Zanzibar. When you visit Zanzibar and then you are not to visit Prison Island, it means you are not to visit Zanzibar.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
So for now we are heading towards Prison Island, and if you can see the island, it's this one. This one. This one is the Prison Island.
Poa poa, hakuna matata. Yeah, you're welcome Zanzibar. Asio, pole pole, hakuna matata. Yeah.
So in less than 20 minutes, like in a motorboat ride, we reach the Prison Island. So once we go in, we can share more details about the Prison Island.
We reached Prison Island and it has started to rain. Quite a bit of story about Prison Island. It's also known as Shangu Island. So while slave trading used to happen here, and that's the main reason why they opened this island, but later actually they used to quarantine all the yellow fever patients here on this island, and it never got really used after that for slave trading. So let's go inside now and see
What's inside?
what's inside.
So whenever you are in Prison Island, you can see lots of Aldabra tortoise here, which are gifted by Seychelles. Yeah.
The number 4. Yeah, this is Toto from Prison Island. He have 20 old now.
He's 20 years old.
Yeah, 20 old.
20 years?
Yeah, 20 old. Pole pole, wewe rafiki, vipi? Bwana, the head's big. Hey, jambo.
These are huge ones. So Seychelles actually gifted all of this giant Aldabra tortoise and gifted it to Zanzibar. And in this prison island, you find many of them all around.
See, this 200 old.
This is, they said 200, nearly 200 years old. Wow.
This is big, this is girl, and this is guy.
And how, what about that one? That would be how many years old?
That is 30.
Yeah? 30.
Yeah.
30?
Yeah.
Oh.
30. This is girl,
This
this is boy. As you see, you stay behind. So the girl is in front, the guy is behind. Oh my god. As you see. So the guy is protect our wife now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's why you stay here behind.
But if you look around, there's so many of them.
That is, there is meeting there.
This one or this?
This is medicine. Normal food. It will treat stomach, herb, Even if Corona. Yeah.
So Pooja is enjoying her prison time.
So this actually doesn't look like a prison. The prisoners must be very lucky, to be imprisoned here. The view is so nice.
So what a view this is. This is absolutely awesome view.
Yes.
And do not mind spending time here. And if this is Prison Island, I don't know.
I would love to be in prison forever.
Normally you should do a Prison Island tour and you can club it with the snorkeling. All of those is included with the package when you come with the boat from Stone Town. So normally it should cost somewhere between $30 to $45. You need to negotiate well, definitely. So what we have
Zanzibar is all about
negotiate.
negotiation.
Yeah. So what we have
the
done,
best you can.
yeah, what we have done, we have clubbed this with the Stone Town tour and the Spice tour, and it's costing for both of us $100. So I think it's a good reasonable rate that they offered us. So we had clubbed all of those.
Go ahead,
So right now we are here in Stone Town, and we are doing the Stone Town walking tour, and this is our next activity which we'll suggest you to do to know all the history. And we have our guide Salom, who would be telling Salom what are you going to tell us?
Yeah, I would like to tell you about an old fort, the old fort which is constructed.
Sure. And
by
what else
Arabs.
we'll see around today? We saw the Forozani market,
Yes,
old
Forozani
fort.
Market, Forozani Market, and we'll see the Stone Town Market,
Yeah.
and also the Anglican Church and House of Wonder.
So now we are entering Old Fort in Zanzibar.
Let's watch out.
So our guide mentioned that this fort was used for different purpose, for trading, for during the Portuguese era, they had the church here, and now it's used for marketplace, clubs, and other entertainments.
Yes, this church was constructed by the Portuguese, but after the Portuguese were expelled by the Arabs decided to destroy the church and try to expand the camp, because they decided also to build the watchtower, and watchtowers was used for watching if the enemies come or not.
So right now we are standing in front of the Anglican Church where slave trading used to happen. So they have 15 chambers inside. So slave trading was prevalent in the time of 1800 centuries, where slaves were taken into many places like Oman, Seychelles, etc. So it was abolished somewhere around 1860 when the outcry started happening. So somewhere between 1860 to 1900 is where it stopped. But it gives us goosebumps to think about what used to happen.
So now we are at Zanzibar Spice Market, and this market is loaded with spices. I can feel the aroma already. You can see there are a lot of spices. They have packed a different packaging they have, like butterflies, hearts, fish, stars. So beautiful. These are all the spices they have. So we got this masalas for us. So in witnessing a gorgeous sunset.
At the Stone Town.
Yeah, and wait. And look at the rainbow.
So the next thing to do is to visit Jozani Forest,
Jozani Forest. Yeah.
which is the only national park which is there in Zanzibar. And
It's
it's home
famous
to
for-
unique the red colobus monkey.
The red colors monkey. Yeah. Oh, it's here. I can see one.
Oh, wow.
Very nearby. And also other creatures are also found. We have
Yeah.
seen about that the leopards are also here, the Zanzibar
Zanzibar
leopards. But
leopards.
I don't think so. It's
And
available.
small elephant, right?
Yeah, the smallest
Elephant.
Yeah.
So let's see. But we are really fascinated by the red colobus monkey. If you can see it. This is a really unique red colobus monkey, which is only found here.
Look. Be careful, yeah. Would like to pull his tail?
No. So we are done with the Jozani Forest trail walk and watching the red colobus monkey, which we were always fascinated about. And now we are in the middle of mangroves. So just let's walk around and explore the mangroves a bit. So one more thing you can do in Stone Town is just walk around and visit the many local souvenir shops and probably pick up some souvenirs which you see around. So these are our top things to do in Zanzibar. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe to our channel and check out all other videos that we have made on Zanzibar. Hope you like them. So see you in the next vlog.